Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the day 3 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to cook deconstructed sushi bowl. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see the rest of the one pan recipe ideas.
Firstly, get 1 cup of sushi rice and wash away all the starch. Add 1.5 cup of water and a pinch of salt. Bring it to boil over high heat. Once it's boiled, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the fresh ingredients for our sushi. Cucumber gives the refreshing and crisp texture, while avocado gives the creaminess. Slice them all up and set aside. Our sushi rice is ready now. Once it has come to the room temperature, add cucumber, half a cup of unflavored tuna, 1 avocado, dried seaweed cut into little pieces, half a teaspoon of sesame seeds, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of kewpie mayo. Give them all a good mix. This is enough for 2 people and feel free to use your favorite sushi fillings. If you are a sushi lover, this is great for you. Easy, delicious and nutritious one pot sushi idea. Here I have listed all the ingredients. Hope you guys like it. See you next time with my day 4 one pan recipe.